This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 28BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This used Grand Design is 34 feet 8 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 9, DVD player, leveling jacks, external shower, spare tire kit, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, Skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, microwave, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 28BH is 8,997 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.